Welcome back, fellow alchemists. If you're new to this channel, then I want to say welcome to this course called Become a Modern Day Alchemist, where we dive deeper into the foundation of being a modern day alchemist. I'm 𝗪𝗫, and I'm going to be your guide and mentor on this alchemical expedition. As an alchemist, you possess the profound ability to transform one form of energy into another, on condition that you apply the alchemical principles in your lives. And these alchemical principles are basically based on the Hermetic principles. Right. So today we're going to embark on a captivating exploration of the principle of mental transmutation. So maybe prepare yourself for a powerful revelation, because our thoughts create our reality. The way that we think directly influence our experiences, our opportunities, and our achievements. And by mastering the art of mental transmutation, we unlock the key to transforming our lives and manifesting our desires. This is incredible news. It's great news. Now, from the perspective of a modern day alchemist, let's dive into the principle of mental transmutation and, of course, its profound impact on our lives, especially in the realm of wealth and success. The principle of mental transmutation teaches us that our thoughts are powerful forces that shape our external reality. When we cultivate a wealth-conscious mindset rooted in unwavering beliefs and positive expectation, we align ourselves with the infinite abundance of the universe. Now, I'd like you to consider perhaps the story of John, the struggling entrepreneur. He held these deep-seated beliefs that money was scarce and that success was reserved for others. Now, I think there are billions of other people that has got the same, let's call it, mental attitude. Now, these limiting beliefs acted literally as invisible chains, restricting his potential and stifling his progress. However, through the alchemical process of mental transmutation, John consciously, and this must be done consciously because we've got the 6 higher faculties of the mind, the 6 mind powers. So John consciously reprogrammed his thoughts. And of course, it took time and effort in order to be able to do it. But as soon as he replaced that mindset, he replaced literally scarcity with abundance, self-doubt with unwavering confidence, and fears into bold actions. So as John embraced his newfound wealth consciousness, his reality transformed. Opportunities flooded his path, clients gravitated towards him, and financial success became his daily reality. By transmuting his limiting beliefs into empowering ones, John aligned himself with the Hermetic principle of mental transmutation and unlocked the boundless wealth that lies within. I can give you numerous stories like this. By simply applying the teachings of the Bible, we discover that they too offer invaluable insights into the manifestation process. For example, in Proverbs 23:7, it declares, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." This is profound wisdom, and this profound wisdom echoes in the principle of mental transmutation, urging us to cultivate thoughts of prosperity, success, and abundance. When we align our thinking with divine principles, my friend, we activate the alchemical power within us, manifesting a life of prosperity and absolute, total, absolute blessings. So your task for today is to take a moment of introspection and identify just one limiting belief that has hindered your financial growth. I want you to write it down and affirm your commitment to transmuting this belief into one that supports your journey towards unlimited wealth. And there must be a commitment. Without a commitment, you're not going to start and see this path through. Right. So in conclusion, dear alchemist, remember that you hold the golden key to unlocking the world of infinite possibilities. I want you to embrace the principle of mental transmutation, for it is through the transmutation of our thoughts and beliefs that we shape our destiny. As you embark on this transformative journey, I want you to inspire others with your alchemical wisdom and be the catalyst for positive change. Remember that each step forward brings you closer to a life of abundance and the success that you deserve. Keep transmuting your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs, and watch in awe as your reality mirrors the alchemical masterpiece that you create. So, before we part our ways today, I invite you to like, share, and comment on this video, allowing others to discover this transformative power of becoming a modern-day alchemist. Your engagement, my friend, is helping us to reach more seekers on their path to personal and financial mastery. Thank you so much once again for joining us today, and be sure to watch the entire course and stay tuned for our next captivating lesson that you're going to get tomorrow. And remember that you've got the ability to turn your dreams into realities, and your journey has just only begun. So may your path be illuminated with radiant light of alchemical transformation. Until next time, embrace your inner alchemist and create the life of your dreams. See you tomorrow.